Right, checking the engine oil level. It's important that you check the engine oil when the engine is hot. So run it for 5 minutes, then let it cool down for a few minutes so the engine oil can flow back down. And then you just need to make sure that it's between the upper level here and the lower level here. And mine looks like it's smack bang in the middle, so engine oil is fine. It's as simple as that, really. You need to make sure the bike's level, so really just put it up on its side stand and tilt it towards you. You might want to get help with that, or put it up on a paddock stand. Yeah, that's it really. Easy job.